Hi, my name is Danielle Horowitz. The students here call me Miss H, and I am going to be the new principal of Mastery McGraw Elementary in the 21-22 school year. I am so excited to tell you all about McGraw today. Hola, me llamo Danielle Horowitz. Los alumnos aquí me llaman Señora H o Miss H. Voy a ser la nueva directora de Mastery McGraw Elementary en el año escolar 21-22. Estoy muy emocionado hoy día para contarles todo sobre McGraw. Elementary school is a time when students develop a lifelong love of learning. At McGraw Elementary, our classrooms are full of love and joy and academic rigor, and we have amazing teachers that make sure all of our students get the individual attention that they need to be successful and reach their goals.
I love my job and all the time I get to spend watching my students learn and grow. We have a strong team of teachers who work together to create lesson plans to meet the needs of all of our students. The students have an opportunity to learn reading, math, writing, all while spending time in small groups so that they can learn and grow as students and as people. We also have gym, art, Spanish, all fun things for our students to explore as they grow. Our goal is to show our students that learning is fun, and that fun will continue throughout their whole time at Mastery McGraw.
McGraw Elementary is a local neighborhood school in the heart of East Camden. We're already enrolling students for next school year, so visit our website to learn more or visit us in person to come enroll your student today.